Hi everybody, welcome to Carla's World, and today we're making chocolate chip cookies. We'll tell you how we make chocolate chip cookies. First we're putting the baking powder and the salt in the flour. You add in the white sugar. Then you add the brown sugar, and then you add the butter. But this one is a tricky one. So make sure to use this tool. Put 1 egg in here. And then you add the whole chocolate chips inside. Cover the dough with a plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now we're going to roll the dough into a circle. We place it down, smooth it a little bit like this. Then we place it with chocolate chips. And the last thing, you place it in the oven and leave it for 8 minutes. Let the cookies cool for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to try the cookies. So good. If you like this video, please press like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.